Hello, and welcome to the Equity Toolkit walkthrough. This recording is a user-friendly guide to help healthcare professionals and stakeholders navigate HCAI's Hospital Equity Data Toolkit. Developed in partnership with the Hospital Equity Measures Advisory Committee and other key stakeholders, the toolkit's purpose is to support hospitals in participating in the Hospital Equity Measures Reporting Program, which promotes best practices in engaging patients, identifying health disparities, and developing targeted, actionable interventions. This toolkit is a supplemental resource for creating more equitable healthcare practices and offers tools and guidance to improve data collection, identification and interventions for social drivers of health, and development of health equity plans, all part of HCAI's Hospital Equity Measures program. The Equity Data Toolkit is a public resource available on HCAI's website. All users may access the toolkit by going to Data and Reports section, then selecting the Social Impact page under the Hospital Equity Measures Reporting Program section. Let's start by exploring the Table of Contents. This is the heart of the toolkit that introduces its organized resources. Here, you'll find section titles and resource topics that have been hyperlinked to help you quickly and easily navigate categories based on your interests. In the Overview section, we've also included a recording from the California Health and Human Services Agency's Center for Data Insights and Innovation, outlining the opportunities of the Hospital Equity Measures program and moving the needle on collecting demographic data. This video will help your team understand the need for the data collection process, while also providing background on the creation of the Hospital Equity Toolkit. Resources in the toolkit are divided into 3 groups, focusing on different aspects of improving health equity through data collection and strategic planning. Here's a breakdown of each tools section. We've curated a list of tools for collecting patient demographic data. Here, you'll find best practice guidelines for both data collection and reporting, as well as engaging patients in a way that is respectful and inclusive. These guidelines support accurate data collection practices and capturing meaningful data that reflects the diverse backgrounds of your patients. What's included? Guidance on collecting race, ethnicity, and language data, sexual orientation and gender identity data, and disability data. This section ensures that hospitals gather complete and standardized data to better analyze disparities in care while protecting patient privacy. You'll also find tools for collecting patient data on health-related social needs, intended to help assess key social needs, including food insecurity, housing and utilities, transportation, and interpersonal violence. By understanding these challenges, healthcare providers can offer support and connect patients with services that support better health outcomes. What's included? Frameworks for identifying patients' social needs and best practices for screening patients. And last, you will find tools for health equity planning in this section. These tools will help you develop and monitor health equity plans. These plans outline strategies to address disparities within your organization, making them actionable and measurable. The toolkit also provides resources for data utilization, helping you use your collected data to inform and shape your health equity initiatives. Each of the 3 tool sections begin with information outlining the intended purpose of their listed resources and key insights to help users understand and use the tools more effectively. Across tools, you will also find that all resources are organized by type, such as state documents, webinars, guides, training tools, and more. In the following section of the webpage, we invite you to share your feedback with HCAI staff. Your feedback will help us continue to improve and evolve the resources available and meet your technical assistance needs. Finally, don't forget to check out the related pages for additional resources and information related to HCAI's Hospital Equity Measures program. Thank you for taking the time to explore the Hospital Equity Toolkit. We hope you find this walkthrough helpful.